Good day, viewer. You are welcome to today's class. And today we are looking at the basic operation in standard form without using calculator. The last class I did on this standard form, a lot of people raise this question that I just have to re-simplify it, and that's why we are taking it again. Now, as you all know, that standard form is an expression of when you have a times 10 to the power of n, a times 10 to the power of n. But this time around, we want to look at the addition when both have the positive power. And we are looking at addition where one of the power is negative. So let's dive to the class. Now, solution. Let's treat the first question, which is 8 times 8.17 10 to the power of 4 plus 5.2 times 10 to the power of 6. Now, you will discover that 10 to the power of 6 is bigger than 10 to the power of 4. Now, let's reduce 10 to the power of 6 so that we can have 10 to the power of 4 here. So, the best way to do it, pick two numbers whereby one of it we have 4, one we have another number. And if you look at it, if you take 4 from 6, you are left with 2. So that will give us 8.17 10 to the power of 4 plus 5.2 times 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of 4. Don't forget, in the law of indices, under the multiplication, when you have the common base, you will add the power. So if we add the 2 power, you have your 6 back, right? Now, the next thing is 8.17 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 5.2 10 to the power of 2. That's 100. So times 100 times 10 to the power of 4. I hope you are getting it. Now, let's move further. 8.17 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 100 times 5.2. That will give us 520 times 10 to the power of 4. You will discover that you have the 10 to the power of 4 as a common factor to the two sides. Now, the next thing to do is to bring them together times 10 to the power of 4. Now, what we have to do, let's add these two together. And that gives us 528.17 times 10 to the power of 4. Now, let's bring it up here. We now have 528.17 times 10 to the power of 4. And in standard form, your point must be at the back of the first digit. So let's return this back to its position. Let's take it to the back of first digit. So when you move 1, you move 2. So you move this point to this place. That will give us 5.2817 times 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of 4. Now, let's obey the law of indices by adding the power. So we have 5.2817 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 4. That will give us 5.2817 times 10 raised to power 6. That's the final answer. Now, let's look at the second example where one of it carry power of negative and one carry power of positive. Now, number 2, 4.2 times 10 raised to power minus 5 plus 7.3 10 raised to power 1. Now, as you know that 10 raised to power 1 is bigger than 10 raised to power minus 5. Now, the first thing that will come to your mind is, if I add minus 5, what number will I add to it? that will give me 1. And that should be minus 5 plus 6. It adds up to give us 1. So bring these two to replace 10 to the power of 1. So it can be written as 4.2 times 10 raised to the power minus 5, then plus 7.3 10 raised to the power 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Now, if you add these two together, you have it as 1. Now, the next thing to do is 4.2 10 raised to the power minus 5 plus, this will be 7.3 times 1 million, then times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Now, from there, you can now multiply. We have 4.2 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 plus, this will give us 73,000,000. That's times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Now, the next thing to do is to add the number, and these two, we pick it as 1, as a common factor. So we have 4.2 plus 73,000,000, then times 10 raised to the power minus 5. So from here, we can now add. And when you add, you have 73,000,004.2 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. And as you all know, you need to return this point to the back of the first digit. And when you try this, you need move 1, 2, don't forget you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 7.300004 that's 42. This time around, we've taken the point. Then times 10 raised to the power 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. So here we can now add. That's 7.300042 times 10 raised to the power 6 minus 5. Then our answer will be 7.300042 times 10 raised to the power 1. And that is our final answer. So you have to try this and drop your answer in the comment section. 6.32 times 10 raised to the power 5 plus 2.8 times 10 raised to the power 3. Drop your answer at the comment section. If you have gained anything in today's class, remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.